put in here. You don't need it. As soon as you're finished and you're done, and as soon as this bag's full or half full, or when you want to be done, you take it to mommy and daddy. You show them all. Then you get like 3. Then you get like 3. So maybe 5. And then let's go.
Wait, no, go find them, Christina. Find them. Yeah.
Jake, calm
Jake,
down.
slow down. Put it in.
You just grab. Let me get some.
Happy birthday to you. I got 3 jelly beans.
Keep looking.
A jelly bean.
No, don't eat them all. Put them in. Yeah, put them in. Go find more.
I find one.
Christina.
Happy birthday to you. I find one. Jelly beans. Find them. A purple one. Find them all. Where is it? Oh, there's another one.
Awesome.
Mom, I find one.
Keep looking.
Where is?
Jake.
Oh, see, I told you there would be one in here. I told her, Mom. I told my mommy there would be one in there.
Over here, Jake. Over here. Look.
And a naughty little Easter